A warm welcome to everyone. My name is Vaishnavi Verma. My roll number is 205068 and my topic is central conicoids from the solid geometry. Here are the conicoids. What do you mean by conicoids? The conicoids are those surfaces the section of which plane parallel to the coordinates planes are conicoids, and here the locus of general equation of the second degree are given: ax square plus by square plus cz square plus 2gzx plus 2hxy plus 2ux plus 2vy plus 2wz plus d is equal to 0. This is the equation of second degree, so is called the quadratic surface are conicoids. The general equation of second degree, which is contain the 10 constants, but nines are effectives for the whole equation may be divided into one constants and leaving the 9 ratios of the 10 constants like a, b, c, etc. The sum standards forms are given below. Here, the sum standard forms. First one is the x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is the standard form of ellipsoid. Here the diagram, and here in the polar form are given. Now the second one is the x square upon a square plus b plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square is equal to the 0. This is the standard form of conics, and the diagram here given, and this is the polar form. And the third one is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is the standard form of hyperboloid of one seats, and here the diagram, and here the polar form are given. And now the fourth one is the x square upon a square plus y square upon b square minus z square upon c square is equal to minus 1. This is the hyperboloid of two seats, and here the diagram and polar form given. Now the central equation of conicoids. The central equation of conicoids are represented by the equation ax square plus by square plus cz square. This equation are classified according to the sign of coefficients of x square, y square and z square. Now here a, b, c, the coefficient of x square, y square and z square. A, B, C are positive, then we can say that this is the ellipsoid form. But if one of the three constant is negative, then it is the hyperboloid of one seat. And if two constants are negative and one of them is positive, then this is the hyperboloid of two seats. Now the fourth one is a, B, C all are negative. This equation is the imaginary ellipsoid form. Now here the diagram of ellipsoids are given. Suppose that any plane are cut in the parallel to the z-axis, then this one is the form is 2D figure. So equation of 2D figure is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. But this is the 3D figure, so z-axis also be taken. Now x square upon a square plus y square upon b square plus z square upon c square is equal to 1. This is the standard equation of ellipsoid. Now to show the origin bisect all the coordinates of ellipsoids, this standard equation which is passes through it. That means we can simply say that every straight lines meet the surfaces in 2 points, and every plane section of the surface is conic. Now solution here the given: let let a x comma y comma z be a point on the ellipsoid. So standard equation of ellipsoid: x square upon a square, y square upon b square and z square upon c square is equal to 1. But in the place of x, y, z we put minus x minus y minus z. Then this equation is satisfied. So minus x minus y minus z satisfy the equation of ellipsoid. So a dash minus x minus y minus z lies on the ellipsoid origin. uh, Origin. Now the next topic is the tangents lines and tangents plane. The definition: suppose that a straight line which is intersects a central conicoids in two coincident points is called the tangent line of a conicoids at that points. Okay, the locus of all the tangent lines at that point on the central conicoids is called the it's called the tangent plane to the central conicoids at that point. The equation of tangent plane at that point the given below. The equation of tangent planes of conicoids is ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. But at a point अल्फा बीटा गामा इज सपोज दैट एक्स स्क्वायर है सो एक्स इंटू एक्स में लिख सकते हैं इन द प्लेस ऑफ 1x इनपुट ऑफ अल्फा and beta and gamma. So here the find the equation of tangent plane at a point. So a alpha x plus b beta y plus c z gamma is equal to 1. Now the corollary form of the equation. The equation of tangent plane at a point, suppose that alpha, beta, gamma to the ellipsoid form. So the standard form of equation are given: x square upon a square plus y square upon b square and is equal to 1 is put there in the place of x square. So x alpha upon a square plus y beta upon b square plus z y square upon c square is equal to 1. This is the equation. Now the condition of tangency. The condition of tangency, the plane is lx plus my plus nz is equal to p, is a tangent plane to the conicoids. So ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. And we know that L square upon a square plus m square upon b plus c n square upon c is equal to p. Here the coordinates of tangent points are given. So L upon a p comma m upon bp and comma n upon cp. This is the condition of tangency. Now here the taking example. The first example is the find the equation of tangent plane to the conicoids. The given equation is 2x square minus 6xy square plus 3z square is equal to 5. At that point 1 comma 0 comma minus 1, this equation of tangent plane to the given conicoids alpha beta gamma. Suppose that we know that ना x स्क्वायर की जगह पे हम x और अल्फा पुट कर सकते हैं. सो 2x अल्फा माइनस 6y बीटा प्लस 3z गामा इज इक्वल टू 5. In the place of alpha beta gamma, the given point is 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. Put there, then 2x bracket में 1 minus 6y 0 and the 3z minus 1 is equal to 5. Then we find the equation of tangent plane is 2x minus 3z is equal to 5. This is the equation of the tangent plane. Now the second example is to find the equation to the tangent plane to the hyperboloids. So here the equation 2x square minus 6y square plus 3z square is equal to 5, which is passes through the line. The line is x plus 9y minus 3z is equal to 0 and is equal to the 3x minus 3y plus 6z is minus 5. Now the solution. Suppose that any plane are given. Both are, suppose that two lines are given, so both are parallel to each other. So we can written as this form: x plus 9y minus 3z plus bracket में plus lambda times of 3. The equation of second line is 3x minus 3y plus 6z is minus 5 is equal to 0. And now the term that in the term of x is collect one place. Suppose 1 plus 3 lambda ब्रैकेट में x, 9 minus 3 lambda ब्रैकेट में y plus 6 lambda minus 3 ब्रैकेट में z is equal to 5 lambda. और एंड नाउ इफ द प्लेन टचेस द हाइपरबोलाइड, जो हमें प्लेन गिवन है वो हाइपरबोलाइड को टच कर रहा है. सो हम this equation which is convert in the form of hyperboloid. So x square upon 5 by 2 plus y square upon minus 5 by 6 and z square upon 5 by 3 is equal to 1. Then we know that a square l square plus b square m square and plus c square into n square is equal to p square. Now put a p c in the place of this values, and the l m are also be put there. So 5 by 2 in the place of here, so and 1 plus 3 lambda this one, so put there. And now the find the value of lambda. Then we find the value of lambda is 2, plus 1 and minus 1. From the equation first we require the tangent of the equation plane, the required of the tangent plane. So put the value in this equation. Then we find the equation 4x plus 6yz plus 3z is equal to 5. When put lambda is equal to minus 1, then find the equation is 2x minus 12y and plus 9z is equal to the 5. Then find the equation of tangent plane of the hyperbolide. And thank you everyone.